All right, we're back to it. Basically have the rebuilt axles. I bought the Porsche 944 CV joints, and my friend Vince was kind enough to rebuild the axles for me. So he took the old stock 85 Vanagon CV joints, as far as I know. I've had the vehicle for 17 years now, actually. It's 2024, and I've never touched the CVs besides taking them off to do the Rocky Mountain Westy 2.5 EJ Subaru swap. So these are brand new Porsche 944 CVs. Use the stock Volkswagen axles because I've read on the Samba from people wiser than me that the axles, the good German axles, are excellent quality. So keeping those. And the only thing I'm debating now is the CV bolts. So I'm obviously not going to reuse the hex bolts because they're all stripped out anyway, and I pounded sockets on to get them off. So those suckers are going right in the bin. But I've got the newer updated 12-point CV bolts that I had on the inboard side axles. And the ones that came with the 944 kits are just a little bit shorter than these. So I think what I'm gonna do is use these and get the axles put in on the outboard sides, and then try the shorter ones on the inboard and see if that works. If it doesn't, I'll just order new ones of these. No biggie. Let's see what happens. All right, I got one outer side done. Just gonna go back with my trusty torque wrench and tighten them up to 33 foot-pounds. Okay, I was able to get the passenger side outboard one done, and how I did it was I jacked up the wheel so it would spin, and then I kept on shoving this jack handle underneath the tire, and then I would torque it to 33, pull the jack handle out, spin the wheel, rinse and repeat 6 times. So star pattern. It's not fun, but it worked out okay. I can do it all from underneath there. I don't have to jump out and jump back in. So that was the main goal. So I got that done. Cleaned up the 2 cups on the transmission. The one side didn't have RTV on it, the other side did. So I put a liberal amount of RTV on both sides. Okay, I've got outboard side installed and torqued, outboard side installed and torqued, inboard side installed and torqued, inboard side installed. I'm too tired. It's just a real pain in the ass going in and out of trying to chock the wheel, and I could almost do it with the without leaving. So I've been kind of doing that. So I'll be underneath the van and shoving a hammer underneath the wheel because the jack thing didn't work for me now. I must not have the height off the ground right or something. I don't know, but I got most of it done. So I'm gonna do a little cleanup here because I've got quite a mess. And I will hit that either later today or tomorrow and torque up the rest to 33 foot-pounds. So we trudge on. All right, we're finally done. I got the last of the CV bolts torqued to 33 foot-pounds, and I think this is over. I'm very happy to have friends that with knowledge, especially old Volkswagen stuff. My friend Vince was so nice to rebuild these for me, put on the Porsche 944 CVs on my original axles, and he even bead blasted the axles and repainted them too, so that's kind of cool. I wasn't going to bother with any of that, but they're nice and shiny black now, so that's cool. Thanks, Vince. This is kind of a bigger project, something I've been waiting for quite a while to do. And and it just got so bad that I had to do it, so that's good. Another thing not to worry about, which is something that I like. That's the whole reason why I went with the Subaru conversion to begin with, because it's just routine maintenance, pretty much. At least it has been for me for the last, this is the 8th year I think I've had it. So, well worth it in my book. But anyhow, thanks for joining. If you want to comment, I would love it to hear your comments. If you want to hit that like button, a huge like, that would be great as well. And if you would be so honored as to subscribe to my channel, that I can keep bringing these kind of videos, that's pretty awesome. And I really appreciate all the feedback I get from you guys too, whenever I get email feedback as well. A lot of people mention that they're liking the series and what I'm doing with this, so that's pretty cool. Something that I could not have pictured myself doing, because was never in my wheelhouse to be this comfortable doing this kind of stuff, but hey, you gotta live sometime, right? Hope you're having a good day, and get onto those van projects, because spring is going to be coming around the corner. You know it. Get to work. I can help you out with stuff in the web shop. Just saying. See ya.